Hey guys, this is Juby at the AMD Installation Center, and I had somebody message me about their door. They couldn't get their door to go in any further down by the rocker. So I was going to make this video to show them what might be wrong. They said they bought some hinges for a 68 from a 68, but I believe they have 69 hinges. Their issue is right down here, this piece, getting this to line up. It's sticking out too far, and they've adjusted their screws as much as they can and tried to push it in, and it's not going in. So I think their problem is they have the wrong hinges. They said they got them from a 68, but I'm pretty sure they got them from a 69. Let me see. This is 68 and 69 lower hinge. Look the same. Look the same. Rollers. But if you look, put them side by side, the 69's taller. So that would make their door stay out and you can't adjust it. So I hope that helps everybody out. Devin's over here. He's trying to sneak away. It's quitting time. Right here. He's a builder. He's actually going to do a YouTube channel too. He might collab with me some. What's it called?
I'm thinking about doing fishbowl customs.
Yeah. He likes to build imports. No, I'm just playing. He builds Mopars, mostly Mopars.
Here at work.
Yeah, here at work.
We do I do Mopars.
I think he does tricycles and stuff at home. But anyways, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll talk to you later. God bless, and I love you. Bye.